Happy morning to one and all. Welcome to the Max class. So the concept which you're going to know today is knowing our numbers. So what exactly we are going to learn in this video? So what exactly are we knowing about numbers here? So today we are going to know about the natural numbers. So what exactly is this natural number? So if I ask you, for example, if I ask you how many books are there in your bag, what you'll be saying, you'll be saying it as I'm having some 10 books or 15 books. How many tables are there in the class? You will say roughly there are 10 tables or 20 tables are there in the class. How many stars are there in the sky? At the time, you cannot say what is the last number, and you'll be saying that undefined number, uncountable stars are there in the sky. But my question is, with what number you start counting? You start counting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, if I ask how many chocolates are there in your pocket, you'll start counting it from 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all numbers are called as counting numbers. The number starts with number 1 and ends with undefined are called as natural numbers. So these numbers that we all know, like 1, 2, 3, as I said, are called natural numbers. So every counting number will be calling it as a natural number. And what is the importance of this natural number? So you'll be slowly coming to know why we are given specific name and why you are calling it as a natural number. So you people are well aware about the number 0, but number 0 has been introduced long after these natural numbers. They used to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, and they used to think these are the number system. The numbers in mathematics are from 1 to uncountable. They taught in such a manner. But afterwards, for nothing, they thought of giving some value. That value became 0. So when they introduce 0, they have to give another new name for the number system. That one will be discussing it later. At now, natural numbers means what? The counting numbers will be calling it as natural numbers. Well, I'll be showing a small picture over here, and can you look into it? Yeah, I hope you can see this image. So what exactly are you feeling it when you are seeing this image over there? Yes, these numbers are looking very messy. They are not there. If I ask you to read out the number means, you don't know whether to start with number 8 or number 6 or number 1, or you don't know how to count, read out the names with colors or whatever. These numbers are looking very messy and not proper. So to overcome this, what we have to do, we have to discipline the number, means you have to write the numbers in a particular order. How we'll be doing it? With the help of what we'll be making these numbers to be in a disciplined manner. So we'll be having one nice tool called as number line. So what exactly is this number line? So number line will be looking in such a manner. So if you observe here, so this is what the number line is. So there is no end for the line. If we can extend it on the both sides. I am starting to write it here from here, 0 and 1, 2, 3, and it is keep on going on over there. So these are the numbers which we are writing. So we are writing all the numbers in the ascending order. So what is the use of ordering these numbers to write it in a disciplined manner? So you'll be coming to know in the few further slides over there. So for example, you think that I'm standing on the number 5. If we observe completely on the right side, what are the numbers I'm having? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers are greater than 5. If I see completely towards my left side, what are the numbers I'm having over there? I'm having 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, which are smaller numbers. So what can I come to conclusion in this? How much right you are going towards how much right side you are going towards on the number line. the value of the number will be increasing in such a manner. How much left you are going on the number line, the value of the number will be decreasing. If you go towards the right, the value will increase. If you go towards the left, the value will be decreased. Well and good. I hope you understood this concept. So if you observe here, for present, the number is over here. So there is one more number on here. So can I call this is greater number than that? Yes, we can call it as. So right side numbers will be always greater than the numbers which are on the left. For example, I'll ask, does 16 is greater than 12 or no? Definitely. Why? Because if you compare the number line, 16 will be on the right side to the 12. The number 16 will be greater than 12. So already we have discussed about the number line. So you may have a small dot, sir. I'm at 0. Can I further move towards my left side? What will be happening if I move towards my left side further and further? Yes, you can move. You will be getting a new numbers called as negative numbers. You will be getting a new numbers called as negative numbers. So the barrier or exactly in between the positive numbers and negative numbers will be having a 0. So my question is now, does 0 is a positive number? Does 0 is a positive number or a negative number? Does 0 is a positive number or a negative number? No, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is very unique number. 0 is neither positive nor negative over there. So you may, okay, I'll be asking one more question. Sir, if you minus 5 is greater than minus 1 or less than minus 1? If you are saying greater, you are mistaken. Why? Because if we observe here, it is minus 1 over here. Minus 1 is there over here. So is it moving towards the left side or the right side? Yes, it is moving towards the left side. And after for minus 5 is on the left side of minus 1. So the value will be lesser. Minus 1 will be greater than minus 5. Minus 1 will be greater than minus 5. So negative numbers will be represented with the negative symbol. That is what we have discussed. So where will we use it? When loss, profit and loss. For example, you brought an ice cream for 10 rupees and you don't have a freezer with you. And the ice cream started melting. One of your friend came to you and asked, can I have that ice cream for 5 rupees? Instead of losing it, okay, you ask him to take it for 5 rupees. You brought it for 10 rupees and you sold it for 5 rupees. What is the loss here? It is 5 rupees loss. That loss of 5 rupees will be representing with minus 5 over here. Okay, let's recollect all the concepts. What did we learn today? We have known about natural numbers, ordering of the numbers with the help of a number line, what are positive numbers, what are negative numbers, and we are having a special property called 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. We came to know about that, and we came about negative numbers where exactly they will be lying on the number line. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.